Today's manufactured homes aren't just affordable. They're built with sustainable, high-quality materials for today and tomorrow. Inside these climate-controlled facilities, every material is carefully managed. That means less waste, consistent quality, and homes built to HUD code standards for safety and performance. From strong framing to weather-sealed exteriors, precision is part of every single build. Buyers can choose materials that are both durable and eco-friendly, from energy-efficient windows, sustainable flooring, even smart home features that reduce energy use. Oregon buyers can choose from low-maintenance exteriors, long-lasting roofing, interior features designed to look good for the long run. Stronger materials, smarter energy use, and lasting value. That is the promise of today's manufactured home. Guiding buyers, supporting experts, and building dreams.